Hello friends, how are you? In this video, I will show how to see Facebook password. Okay, let's go. First, open your Facebook apps. Click on three dot option. Scroll down. Click on settings and privacy. Click settings. Click now password and security. Again, click now password and security. Tap now change password. Select your account. No option to see password. Okay, follow my next step and go to Gmail account. Click on Gmail profile. Again, click now manager your Google account. Tap on security option. Scroll down. Again, click now password manager. Select your Facebook. This is how we'll see how to see Facebook password successfully. Hello viewers, please subscribe to our channel.